Good morning, students. Welcome to Information Technology online class. This is Suguna from Good Samaritan School. Today, we are going to start part 3, Unit 1 Digital Documentation Advanced. And in this part, we are going to learn about create and use template. First of all, let us understand what is template. A template is a model that used to create other documents. Template can contain anything that regular documents can contain, such as text, graphics, a set of styles. For example, you can create a template for business report that has your company logos on the first page. New document created from this template will all have your company logo on the first page. Next, let us see what are the advantages of template. First one is simplify document creation. Template cannot ease your workload but also make you feel less stressed and at the same increase your efficiency. Besides, they help experienced people produce professional looking documents. And the next one is save time and money. Utilizing ready-made template is less time consuming than creating new document. Eventually, it results in cost saving one. Next advantage is consistency and clarity. Document should have a standard layout and feel. Document template guarantee the standard text, that is the page number, data time, author, file name and location. Important graphics and company information will appear on every page in the current position with no mistakes. Let us see different ways to create a template. There are two ways you can create your template. There are two ways you can create your template. First way, from a document, you have to create your own template and then you have to save a template. How can you save a template? Click the file menu and choose the template and choose the save option. And the second way to create a template is using a wizard. You got to click the file tab and choose wizards and choose the type of template. These are the two ways you can create your template. Let us see how to create the template. This is the OpenOffice Writer window. Here you have to open new or existing document of the type you want to make into template. Here some adds some text. Font face is Arial narrow and size is 12. Here I am specifying the bold. So now I make this style as a template. After creating the style document, you got to save that document as a template. You got to click the file menu and choose the template option and click the save. This is the template dialog box. Here you got to choose the category. Which type of category template you want? My template or presentation background or presentation. I want my template. You got to give the name for your template. Here I am giving the name is template 1. Choosing the appropriate category here, it's make it easier to find the template when you want to use it. So after that, you got to click the OK option here. So now your template is created. This is the one way you can create the own template. And the second way to create a template using a wizard. You can use wizard to create template for letter, faxes, agenda, presentation and web pages. Okay, where you got to choose this one. Click the file option and go to the template option. Go to the wizard option and then choose which kind of wizard you want. You can use wizard to create template for letters, fax, agenda, presentation and web pages. For example, etc. Here I am using the presentation here. See here. Now presentation wizard will be open. Here you have to choose which type of presentation you want, empty presentation or from template you want, or open the existing presentation. Just I open the empty presentation I want and press the next option. Then it is asking for different effects. Choose any effect and finally click create option. Whatever the styles you want, choose it and then click the next option. Now within this writer presentation, within the writer window, presentation screen will be open. This is the presentation software in the OpenOffice software. So within the writer window, the presentation software also open. Here you have to create any text or you have to make the any design and save it. Click the file menu and save this one. So this is the another way to create a template using a wizard. Next topic is set up custom default template. You can set any template to be default. If you set up any template as a custom default, whenever you will open any document, the same template style will be displayed. Before that, whenever open any new document, empty document will be opened. If you will set up custom default template, after that if you open any document, the default template only will be displayed. Let us see how can you set the template as default. Click the file menu and choose the new option and go to template and documents. Here you have to click the template option and choose the template here and then click the organize menu. And here you have to choose the my template option. Under the my template you have to choose your already created template and the right side you have to choose the command option and then click the set as default template. After that you have to close all the windows. Now let us see, whenever I open the new document, the default template only open here. See here. See here, the default template only open here. This is the name also one. Here, if you before that, whenever open the new document, the empty document will be open. If you will set up custom default template, after that, if you open any new document, the default template only will be open. So now if I'm opening this normal file, I'm opening, but here it's opening the file. Which file is coming here? This is the already I created one, but we will set up the custom default template. That's why in the new normal document also the template style will be appear. Now you can be change any style here. You can change the font size, color, size, anything you can do. Next topic is update the template. Update the template means you have to modify the already created template. Let us see how can we change the already created template. First click the file menu, go to the new option, template and document. Here you have to choose our template and click the organize option. Here choose your my template. This is my already created one and go to the command tab. Now click the edit option. So now your already created template will be open here. Here you can make it changes. You can make it any changes you can make it here. See here, just I want to change the font style and the size I want to change. This is make us bold. I want change font color as a pink. So now we again save a document because we made some changes here. So we have to save this one. Click file menu. I want to save. This is the template only. So click the template and click the save option. Here you have to give the name for my template. So choose here I am choose the old template name only. I want to override this one. After that, click OK option. See here message is coming, name already in use. Do you want to override the document template? Yes, I want to override that one because I want to just update the template only. That's why I want the same name only. Click the yes option. See here, this is the template, the already created one. So now I made it some changes here. This is the way you can create the template and use it, and you can update the template also possible. Student, practice all these option in the template. Thank you.